Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yaku right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to turn on or off recent file lists in Photoshop. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Photoshop and let us simply explain what recent file means and how you can enable it and how you can turn it off totally in Photoshop. Now, recent file are the file that you see when you open up your Photoshop. Some of your design workflow in the past is going to appear, just like what you see right here. Now, you can decide how many recent file you want it to be open, like so, just like what you see right here, or you can decide to disable it totally if you don't want to see the recent file open in Photoshop. And also, you can come to the top right here and then you can change the format at which you want your recent file to appear. So for you to do that, simply click on here. You can switch to this type of format. Right here, you have recent file, or better still, switch back to this type of file format. So right here, it's as simple as that. So let's see how we can turn it on or off in Photoshop. Now, if you want to turn it on or off, next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, go to Edit tab, and the next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here where you have Preferences, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to File Handling. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Now, from the bottom right here, you have Recent File List Contain. So right here, by default, most times Photoshop puts it in 2020 files. It means that the maximum file that is going to appear in your recent file is going to be 20. Immediately it exceeds 20, it will no longer save. If you want to turn it off, what you need to do is to simply put 0 into this particular section right here. Then having put 0 here, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right there and click on OK. And boom, it's as simple as that. You can see all the recent file has totally disappeared and your Photoshop become clean. It's as simple as that. So if you want to turn it on, simply come back to the Edit tab right here. Come to the bottom right here, go to Preferences, then go to File Handling, and this is going to pump up. Then come back right here. You can determine the number of your recent file that you want to open. So let's, for instance, I'm going to put this to be 20 by default again. Then I'll simply come to the top right there, hit on OK, and boom, you have it back. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to turn on or off your recent file list in Photoshop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.